Dear student, today I will discuss about determinant, chapter 4th, class 12th math, chapter 4th, determinant. In previous chapter you learned matrix. In this chapter you will learn determinant on the basis of matrix. Determinant, every square matrix can be associated to an expression or a number which is known as its determinant. It is denoted by determinant A or determinant A. Not can be read modulus. You read determinant. Determinant A or delta. There are three notation: determinant of A, determinant A or delta. For example, let a matrix order A11, A12, A or B12, B12, B21, B21 or B22. This is, let a given matrix order of matrix, first row and second row, first column and second column. Order of matrix 2 by 2. So every possible square matrix is determinant, and the order of matrix not possible determinant. So every square matrix is determinant. 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, this is denoted a determinant. So let a given matrix element A11, A12, A21, A22. So now we find determinant, so denote this. So determinant of A is equal to, so calculate, so this multiply and this multiply each other and subtracted. So multiply A11 into B22 minus A12 into B21. So this is value of determinant A. So now also represent, so this form determinant A11, A11, A12, A21 and B22. So initially, so now let a given matrix, this element, these are given matrix A, so change into determinant form. So symbol of this determinant element are these here. So now determinant of A is equal to, so as you can write this and this, so A11 and B22 minus A12 and B21. So the value of determinant A. And also another example, you solve given number of element of given matrix. This is A. So 2, 3, 5, 6. So this is matrix order 2 by 2. This is represent in square matrix. So A, this is order 2, 3, 5, 6. So determinant of A is equal to, so 2 into 6, 2 into 6 minus 5 into 3, 5 into 3. So 6 to 2 is 12 minus 5 3 is 15 is equal to minus 3. This is determinant of a value minus 3. So 2 into 6, 2 into 6 minus 5 into 3. So determinant of A is equal to minus 3. Now exercise 4.1, evaluate the determinant in question number first, determinant of element 2, 4, minus 5, 1. Evaluate, calculate the determinant. So now this determinant, let A is equal to, let determinant of A is equal to element 2, 4, minus 5, 1. So now determinant of A is equal to 2 into 1, 2 into 1 minus 5 into 4. So 2 into 1, 2, this is minus into plus, minus into minus plus, so this is plus and 20, this is 22. So determinant of A is equal to 22. So now given question first, element of determinant 2, 4, minus 5, 1. So these are element of determinant. This symbol is determinant. So not read, you cannot read modulus, only you can read determinant. So now let determinant A is equal to element have these. So now we find determinant of this given value of determinant. So determinant A is equal to 2 into 1. So this is here minus 5 into 4. This is here. So this is multiple. You can solve it and result will find 22. So this is value of determinant this. So this is answer. Also question number 2, first part, given matrix. So now this is, let matrix A given element cos minus sin, sin, cos, sin, cos. So now value of determinant A. So this is determinant of A is equal to cos into cos, cos theta into cos theta, minus and minus sine theta into sine theta. So cos into cos, cos square theta, and minus into minus, this is plus, sine into sine, sine square theta. So determinant of A. So this is identity, cos square theta plus sine square theta is equal to 1. Trigonometry identity, cos square theta plus sine square theta value 1. So determinant of A is equal to 1. So given question number 2, first part, determinant of element cos minus sine, sine cos. So now how can calculate the value of this given determinant? So now determinant of A, this is symbol determinant. So this is determinant of A is equal to cos into cos, slightly multiply. So cos into cos, this here, so minus, taken minus middle, so sine into minus sine. So this is here cos into cos, cos square theta plus sine square theta, the trigonometry identity. So this is value 1. So determinant of A is equal to value 1. This is answer. Question number 2, second part. Given element of determinant x square minus x plus 1 and x minus 1, x plus 1 and x plus 1. So now represent, this is determinant of a given element. So now we can solve. So now find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to, multiply slightly. So this is x plus 1 into x square minus x plus 1, and so this is minus taken, and x plus 1 and x minus 1. So this is multiply slightly and this is multiply slightly. So this multiply this and this multiply this and taken negative sign in middle. So this multiply in this, or this is formula identity. So x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1. So this is value of x cube plus 1. This is value of x plus x cube plus 1. So identity of polynomial x cube plus 1, x plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. And also this is identity x plus 1, x minus 1. So x square minus 1 square. So this is identity also. So x cube plus 1 and x square minus 1. So x cube plus 1 and minus open bracket, so minus x square and plus 1. So this is x cube and minus x square, 1 plus 1, this is 2. So determinant of A is equal to this. That's all. Thank you.